Why are Chinese players so good at table tennis? Why is table tennis the main sport in China? Here are some of the reasons that Chinese players play table tennis very well. Number 1. China has a lot of table tennis players. China has way more table tennis players than any other country. With over 1.39 billion people, China is the world's most populous country in table tennis. There are over 85 million people who play the sport almost every day in the table tennis club. China has a very large population who play table tennis. Around 350 million Chinese watch major ITTF events and also the Marvelous 12 trial events. Statistically, there is one ping pong table for every 7 Chinese people. So there are a lot of tables if you can do the calculation yourself. Number 2. Chinese people love this sport very much. Chinese people are big fans of table tennis. They think about table tennis every day at every moment. Their culture around this sport is very important. They make films about table tennis. Number 3. Best coaches in the world. China has the best table tennis coaches in the world. Most of the national coaches are the world champion, the Olympic champion or the Grand Slam in table tennis. Training is the key that makes a good player become the best player in table tennis. Their training system is well developed and is separated into 3 layers. The club level to detect the talented young players, the provincial levels to form the young professional team. These young players can easily compete at the top 100 to 300 on the world ranking. And the national levels, when you can enter the national team, you are already at the top 50 of the world elite ranking. And number 4, the best table tennis partner in the world. When you are not good enough, then you become a partner for the top players. Blue partners are the top provincial players who are used to train for a specific objective. In China, these not good enough players are asked to practice and clone the most important style in table tennis. They are called blue partner. They are used to train with the top players Ma Long, Zhang Jike, Xu Xin, Fan Zhendong, etc. and help the top players dealing with a specific style. For example, Hao Shuai is a left-hand player. Timo is a left-hand player. Hao Shuai is asked to imitate the player style of Timo. He is a clone of Timo. Hao Shuai is not as good to be in the Team A of China team, but he is still in the China team, Team B. His role is the blue partner. Liu Shiming is one of the most dangerous opponents of China team during his peak. So Wang Jianjun is asked to imitate the playing style of Liu Shiming. A good example of blue partner in China team, Wang Jianjun is a very talented table tennis player from China, but he is not good enough in Team A. He once was a member of the Chinese B team. At that time, he was using a Japanese pen blade. He has beaten Ma Ling, Wang Lijing. He is asked to use Japanese pen to clone Liu Shiming style. Later in his career, he switched to Chinese pen and played in Europe. Wang Jianjun has played for Charleroi in Belgium and then for Pontoise in France.
那么你觉得，虽然你没看哈，但是你自己这个6分制跟11分制的区别在哪儿？你觉得最大的差别是在哪儿？总体来说，漂亮。上一个台阶，这个台阶这个步子迈的一定要大。我觉得他打球这个比较灵，很聪明，没出来可惜啊。他已经慢慢会更加的临近了。很轻松，很自如。漂亮，会看到马林的是对方吃发球这样的镜头。
都是平时朝夕相处的队友，队友之间的了解早就已经超过了自己的父母兄妹，大家都觉得最